This is Chris, the Idaho Painter, here on Paint Life TV. Today, I'm going to introduce you to some new tools, and this is going to be part of a series. It's called For Painters by Painters, where we introduce you to tools that were created or invented by fellow painters out there. And this is a series to help support those painters in the businesses that they got outside of painting, selling their very own tools that they created and invented. So I've got 3 tools I'm going to be showing you today that were created by painters, absolutely amazing tools. So stay tuned for this video. All right, so I've got 3 tools in front of me, and these are 3 tools that I use and absolutely love. These are gonna be the first 3 tools I introduce you to. That's For Painters by Painters, and one of them is the Brush Buddy. Another one is the 2-edge knife, and another one is the Tip Saver. And all 3 of these tools were created by painters, and I'm gonna say their names, and hopefully I don't butcher their names too bad. If I do, I'm sorry to you guys. This is a Brush Buddy, and this was created by Charles Martz, and Charles Martz is out of Torrance, California. He's a carpenter who does his own painting, and he created this device, and it's absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you. It's the best brush holder that I've ever used and ever seen. The only one I'd ever use because I like it so much. I'm going to show you how to install it, what it looks like. The Tip Saver, this thing is simply amazing. Don't have to dip your hands down into lacquer thinner or paint thinner to get your tips out of a 1-gallon can anymore. That was created by Brad for a reason. Hopefully I got your name right, Brad. Brad is out of the greater Minneapolis, Minnesota area. Another fellow painter, and he owned his own painting company for I think like 10 years or so, and now he's like a vice president of sales of another large company called Washi Painting in that area. The 2-edge knife, this is the best 5-in-1 tool ever created right here. And this is by Steve and Guida out of Fort Myers, Florida. He owns his own painting company, and he created and invented this along with several other products. And his corporation is called Zorcorp Corporation, and he has like the roller bucket, the roller tray, and some other tools. But we'll talk about the tools. I'll install the Brush Buddy, show you what it is. The 2-edge knife is just, it's a 5-in-1 tool, simply the best 5-in-1 tool you can ever have. I can't believe it took somebody so many years to figure out that you should put a knife along with your 5-in-1 tool. But it's got a knife on it that has a blade that comes off fast and easy. So you got a blade that is an X-Acto blade that goes on your knife. It's got a little keeper right here, so you can put it in your side pocket and you can easily access it and get it out. I actually like putting it down in my pocket this way, but it also has a belt clip holder on it. It's got your typical 5-in-1 tool on it. It's heavy duty, made, built to last basically forever. That is the 2-edge knife from Zorcorp and Steve and Guida out of Fort Myers, Florida. All right, on to the Brush Buddy. I'm going to show you how the Brush Buddy installs and what it actually does if you don't know. So Charles Martz, creator of this, and once again, I'm showing you these tools, and this series is For Painters by Painters. And it's really just a way that we can help support our fellow painters out there. And that's what Paint Life is it's painters helping painters. So here we go. I'm gonna install the Brush Buddy. It comes with 2 little screws. All you gotta do, it's a little copper device that bends, it's flexible. Bend it up, and I'm just gonna screw it and attach it right to my brush. Okay, 2 little screws. It's gonna screw right in my handle. And now you have a holder that's going to hold your brush on your bucket just like that. So now, instead of having to set my brush down into the paint or set it on to my roller, I can just hang it on the side of my bucket and hands-free. I can climb ladders and stuff like that. So it's made out of copper, and it's made in the USA, so another bonus right there. But it's copper. It's basically going to last you forever. I mean, you could take, once this brush is gonna be tossed and used, you could just take it off and put it onto another brush. But it's the only brush holder that I've ever used that I actually like, and it's not gonna get lost because it's on your brush permanently. So that is the Brush Buddy. On to the Tip Saver. We'll show you the Tip Saver by Brad and Alpha Products. So they Brad partnered with the owner of Idaho Paint, and they created Alpha Products. So they got the Tip Saver and some other products that they've invented, but we're going to show you the Tip Saver because I actually love the Tip Saver and show you what it looks like here. So this is my actual Tip Saver in the gallon can that I use. So I'm going to open it up and show you what we got here. Here's my Tip Saver, and it actually holds filters in the center, so gun filters. It holds your tips. So I got all my tips on there, and it also holds 2 gun guards right there. So it holds quite a few tips, quite a few gun guards, and it just goes right into a gallon can. I have a gallon can, so the whole entire thing is submerged in there, and you can use different products to put in there. You could use lacquer thinner, you could use paint thinner, but now I don't have to dip my hands down in there. Alpha Products has also created a product that you could put your tips in, and instead of paint thinner or lacquer thinner, and it's an environmentally friendly product, I believe. So that's what mine is actually in right now, but I'm going to show that in another video. So now I don't have to stick my hands in it. I can grab my tips now. They're readily accessible. No more dipping your hands in nasty chemicals that is not good for your liver or your kidneys. So doing that, I said kidneys. I think you do have more than one kidney, I believe. The human anatomy wasn't my specialty. So it comes with a sticker that you can also put on your can that identifies your gallon can that it has your Tip Saver in it. So there it is, a Tip Saver. Absolutely incredible product. I wish I would have had that like 20 years ago too. So 3 products, the Tip Saver, the 2-edge knife, and the Brush Buddy, which is right here. So if you want to support these guys, purchase the products from them. I actually sell the products on our store at idahopainter.com. You can get all 3 of them right there. Go visit our store after you're done watching this video and support these fellow painters, and also give them a good review on their products and let people know, that you love these things. Show them on social media, give them a big shout out. There you have it, for painters by painters. If you want to see 3 more tools for painters by painters that I recommend, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you have any tools that you know that were created by painters, for painters, let me know down in the comment section below so I can review them. I've got a handful more that I'm going to show you in some upcoming videos, but I also want to support those fellow painters out there. If you got any questions, comments, leave it down in the section below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on our next video. If you subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you get notified every time I come out with a new video by email. Free, easy to do, like always. Like these videos, free for you.